So let us move further now, that you can just check here now the jurisdiction. So we understood, okay, that there is a infringement, there may be dilution, there may be like a cyber squatting may be there, unjustified threats might be there, right. So any of that kind of issues may be there around that particular trademark, right. Counterfeiting, another important we can say, and majorly like observed dispute is there considering the trademark. Now, okay, if any of this unfortunate event happen with this particular trademark, what exactly, where exactly you have to we have to approach. So jurisdiction is there. So when we are talking about a jurisdiction, three primary factors we have to take into consideration for determining jurisdiction. One is a territorial jurisdiction. So the place where exactly the incidents happen, considering that the jurisdiction is determined, and it can be initiated any of the district or a high court as a ordinary original civil jurisdiction.